Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the gift that I have received for this year's Mother's Day. So if you're interested to know what that item is, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So like I've said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to share with you the item that I have received for this year's Mother's Day. I actually made an unboxing of this item. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as a link in the description down below, so you can go and check it out and see what it is and see how this item was packaged. So without further ado, I'm going to reveal to you what this item is, and also in this video I'm going to share with you why I requested this specific item and what we have done with this item. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's head on to the video. So as you can see, the item that I have received is actually from SEZANE. And this tote bag, I also received it as a gift. So when you purchase something more than 50 euros from SEZANE, at that time, you receive this tote. So I have received this tote. Just let me show you. Lovely tote. And the item is none other than the Betty Cardigan. And this one is in the color hazelnut. So I'm just going to show you how the cardigan looks like. So this one is in the size small. So this is how the front looks like, and this is how the back part looks like. So what is special with this Betty cardigan and why I have requested this as a gift is because I think it was 3 weeks ago when I was scrolling the Instagram account of SEZANE, I stumbled upon a small video or a picture where it mentioned that you can actually personalize this cardigan. The Betty cardigan, you can request for a personalization as well as other items from SEZANE. And what I liked about it is that it has this specific personalization, and the one that I got is this one. Let me show it to you. So there you have it. I have a personalization where it's mentioned maman, which is mom in French on the left side, and it was exactly the same when I saw it on the Instagram of SEZANE. So I was like, when I saw it, I asked my hubby, oh, if you're wondering what Mother's Day gift of our son to me that you can purchase, well, check the Betty cardigan because we can personalize it. So there you have it. So this is the Betty cardigan in the size small in hazelnut with personalization of mama. Okay, so actually, to be honest, I already have another Betty cardigan, and the one I got was in écru with embroidery stitching on the collars and on the sleeves. I actually did a video about that cardigan. I'm going to put the card right there as well as the link in the bottom in the description, so you can check it out, have an idea what I think about it, and also the specs, because to be honest, the specs of this cardigan as well as the écru one is totally the same. The only difference is this one doesn't have all those detailing on the collar as well on the pockets and on the sleeves, but nevertheless they are both the same. And also, just to let you know, if I'm not mistaken, I think that color combo cardigan doesn't exist at SEZANE anymore, only in blue, dark blue. But this one is totally a different finishing, so it's just a normal color as well as the pocket and the sleeves. But what I like about it, I don't know if you'll be able to see, is that on the collar in here it has, you know, little stitching that adds the detail. And what I like about the color as well is that it's hazelnut, so it's very versatile, as like my écru one. because I can really wear it with different colors and it passes great at any season also. And then, like I've mentioned, what I liked about this is that I can personalize it, and I have requested the Mamo in yellow, so it has been embroidered in color yellow, so it's, you know, pops up, and really good clin d'oeil, if you say it in French, for Mother's Day. So that's why I picked it up. And I also picked it up, I don't know if you will be able to see, yeah, there you go, in size small, because with the Betty Cardigan, I have it in size small. I think that's the one that suits me the most. So yeah, so very happy to have received this. Thanks, Hug, thanks, my little baby boy, for the gift. And other thing though, I would just like to share with you as well that I had some issues with the Betty Cardigan prior to this one. I'm going to show it in a different clip in this video, showing you the, let's say, problem that I got when I have received that first order that I sent back to SEZANE, and then I received, this is actually a second order with a correct embroidery. You'll understand once you see that part of the video. So yeah, but apart from that, very happy with this one, with the embroidery, and can wait to wear it and style it. So like I've mentioned, I'm just going to show you in this portion of the video how the Betty Cardigan with the Defect embroidery looks like. So same thing that I have shown you before, but this is the previous one. So I got the Betty Cardigan in the color hazelnut in the size small, and when we have ordered it, we made a personalization for Mother's Day, and this is how the personalization looks like. So as you can see, the defect there, when you read it, kind of like mama or mamas, I don't know, but in short what I wanted was maman, which is mom in French. And as you can see, after the last A, the N, I don't know, it's not visible. So I definitely had to send this back. And like I mentioned, I have informed SEZANE through the WhatsApp messages, and they were very quick to respond and gave me the possibility to send this back. I also mentioned that they have to inform the department, so the quality control department, that they have to check this kind of thing, especially for personalization, that nothing is, you know, defect, that it should be flawless. Luckily for me, I still have the time to order one, so I can have this before Mother's Day. So yeah, so at least you know how unfortunately it looks like when there are some default. And just to show you again, this was done on the left cuff. There you go. So today I'm going to send this back, and yeah, there you have it. Now I'm just going to share with you the experience that I had with customer service regarding the defect of the first order. When I have unboxed it, I of course immediately checked the embroidery, and that's when I saw that there was a defect with the maman. There weren't any N at the end of the embroidery. So I took a picture of that, and then I immediately contacted SEZANE through their Instagram. So I DM'd them, and to be honest, the reply was very fast. I told them that it was a defect about the product, and then they asked for pictures, and so I sent them back the pictures and so on. And then the person that I have contact with, she or he told me that they can send me a new one, but I have to send back the item first. So they sent me details concerning, you know, a document that I have to fill up. So I had to print it out, fill up my details, the order number, and the reason why I am sending it back. Put that in the box and use the return label as a return label, as a normal return label if you have to return something to SEZANE. And then I didn't have to pay the return as well. It was free of charge. But I absolutely have to let the post sign the a proof that they have received the package that I am sending, which in general wasn't really the common way when I send back items to SEZANE. They just scan it, but with this specific situation, I have to have that paper to fill up, put it inside the package, and then another paper where the person who's receiving my package, the sender, has to put their stamp on it or their signature that they have received it. Once I got that, I showed that picture to SEZANE with the DM exchange and so on. They immediately send me an email afterwards mentioning that you have a credit amount available on your SEZANE app, and then I can do whatever with it. I can order another item. But of course, I have ordered the same item with the correct, same name, hopefully a correct embroidery this time, so without any defect. And that was the case. And I also did it on a Friday, when it was, I think, the last day that you can order items that will be able to arrive before Mother's Day, and that day you also receive a free tote per order. So that's what you've seen in the beginning of the video. And I think the item, so I ordered it on a Friday, so weekend is not counted, and it arrived Tuesday. So it actually just took, I think, the 2 business days, and it indeed arrived before Mother's Day. So all in all, in short, the DM exchange with SEZANE has been very swift. So in short, very satisfied with the customer service from SEZANE. Okay, so before I end this video, I just wanted to show you how the cardigan looks like on me, and also with this color combo. So as you can see, I'm actually wearing a dark mottled green dress, and the hazelnut goes well with it. So this is how the front part looks like. This is how the side looks like, how the back looks like, and then the other side, and then the front. So that is how it looks like when it's open. And can you see the embroidery here? It's very visible, and then when I just do like so, you can still see it. Oh, I'm so happy. There you go. So there you go, guys. That was my video concerning the Betty cardigan personalized. I hope this video has entertained you, and if that's the case, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. If you have any questions about the Betty cardigan or any experience with SEZANE, feel free to put them in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer them if I can. And also, for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. And lastly, I just want to wish all of the moms out there, it could be a baby mama, a fur mama, or just mom, because you feel that you're a mom, happy Mother's Day. Again, thank you all for always tuning in, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.